The DJI Mini 2 is the kind of drone we wish we'd always had. It's very portable, has a 4K camera, is super lightweight, easy to fly, and has all the best flight features, but costs less than half the price of comparable drones from a few years ago. From beginner to pro pilot, there's a good reason to consider putting the Mini 2 in your backpack next time you head outside. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review DJI Mini 2 and discuss is it worth the price. Please watch to the end to make sure you get information on all of the products. Click on the links below in the description to learn more and purchase the products. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. DJI Mini 2 performance. The Mini 2 manages to scoot around at over 29 mph, and the little 2250 mAh battery provides up to 31 minutes of flight time. Not bad at all. 3 main flight modes are available in traditional DJI style. P mode is the standard mode for a balance of speed, but full functionality of flight sensors and modes. Since smooth mode reduces the max speed and most operations to get the smoothest shots possible. Finally, Sport mode is how you get the top speed out of the drone. Just be prepared to possibly see some shaky video, and you'll not have access to all the flight features, such as the quick shots. The Mini 2 has, so far, overcome all of the video hiccups we identified with the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini occasionally jittered when spinning the drone in place. The camera would jerk to recenter, as it didn't quite balance the mechanical and digital stabilization. That was mostly fixed on the Mavic Mini through software updates, but still remained a little. Second, the superior connectivity of AkuSync 2.0 eliminated any signal interference that caused us some erratic drone movements on the Mavic Mini. DJI Mini 2 camera. In terms of the camera, the Mini 2 has a 1 into 2.3-inch sensor that shoots 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 fps. Pilots can now save photos in JPG and RAW formats. You can also enjoy some zoom for your shots. At 1080p resolution, you can zoom 2x lossless, then up to 4x in lossy digital zoom. When shooting in 4K, you can capture 2x lossy zoom. DJI Mini 2 specifications and software. The DJI Mini 2 is the third drone to use the DJI Fly app. This more simplistic experience than the DJI Go 4 app makes it easy for novice pilots to safely fly their drones. You'll get a map and some drone telemetry, but many of the advanced settings and controls have been stripped away. DJI is shipping a different remote with the Mini 2 as well. We're pretty sure it's the exact same remote as for the Mavic Air 2. This includes more controls over the camera and flight modes than the Mavic Mini remote, so you can do more without having to dive into the settings in the DJI Fly app. The combination of the camera for the price and the extremely compact size make this drone a winner. DJI Mini 2 flight modes. As with many DJI drones before it, the Mini 2 enjoys a wide range of flight modes. That includes the familiar DJI quick shots and more. In the camera, you'll find a few different panoramic modes, including sphere, 180-degree shots, and a new wide-angle mode that stitches together a 3x3 grid of images. There is also a B triple shot mode for HDR shots and time shots to give yourself a few seconds to pose for your epic aerial selfie. DJI quick shots on the DJI Mini 2 includes the drone, helix, rocket, circle, and boomerang. Is it worth it? If you want a compact, easy to carry, easy to fly drone with 4K video capture, this is currently the best available. It's great for the novice, and its size and weight mean it never feels intrusive in a small rucksack. Equally so when flown outdoors. That $449 is very reasonable for a drone with all these features too. Click on the links below in the description to learn more and purchase the products. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.